What's up, guys? So today we're at a beautiful home right here in Paso Robles, and we're going to be cleaning 2 sofas and possibly a area rug. Now, first off, I know it's going to be wool. It is wool, although I can't find the tags, but you can pretty much tell once you get used to identifying. But I didn't come here to actually clean the rug, but I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna test it and see if it's cleanable, and then do it on the way out. So what I do is it's called a color bleed test. So what you do is you go ahead and spray an area in the rug, put a white towel on, and see if there's any color transfer. And if there isn't any color transfer, then go ahead and clean it. So I use Wool Safe products. Pro Cyan is what I would use on this if I clean it. So yeah, Brenda's vacuuming, getting everything going. I'm setting everything up. Got my hose ram. I'm about to pull up my vacuum hose and get started. Stay tuned. Okay, so you need a rag, a white rag preferably, guys. Now this isn't white, but this has been washed probably 20 times. There's gonna be no color bleeding from this. But since it's a bright color, I'll be able to see some color contrast. What you do is you soak this, spray it part of the carpet, set something heavy on it, let it sit for a bit. So I think we're going to be all right. Actually, I'm just using carpet details to clean this. I did my testing with the carpet details. No color transfer. So that's how you do it. Now, if you do get color transfer, walk away from the job. That's some rug spall type of stuff, okay? If you're going to do kind of a makeshift kind of rug spall kind of thing, even that, because some people do, they carry their rug tank with them and rug bath with them, and then you got to know the chemistry. So you got color stabilizers and stuff like that. So yeah, on the job, carpet cleaning or rug cleaning, be careful, know your material. I'm going to do a video on this for my course and more in depth, and just like always, randomly throughout my YouTube channel. Another little tip: before we put away any of our hoses, we always get the customer and let them do an overlook of the work we did, and so that way if we miss something, we don't have to re-whirl in all the hoses again and go through that process. In this case, she actually wanted to add something, so we just added a chair for her. So yeah, that would have been either walking away from the job, probably, for one chair, or rolling all these things out again. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a rinse, meaning we have a jug, just truck mount guys, and even some portable guys will have a jug on the side. It's a rinse. It actually neutralizes the pH, and you know, it's made for fine fabric. All right, so the moral of the story for this video is plain and simple: be prepared to walk away from anything. So actually set yourself up to walk away from a job. So if you're gonna clean an area rug, you know, do everything you need to do to find out if that rug is cleanable. If you have any doubt, walk away from it. So I did what I needed to do, and from doing on-site rug cleaning for a while now, I can spot fabric that are sensitive, and but still I check. And also charge a little bit more for these rugs that say you were to damage and they didn't, and something happened to them. Well, say you were to damage and it costs a lot of money to replace. That's what I meant to say, dude. All right, we're gonna wrap this one up and go to the next one. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment as always. See you in the next one. Oh, one more thing before I let this video go into your hands to do with as you will. Notice all the suggestions I do in my videos. They're all suggestions. This is what I do for a daily. I'm not telling you what I do is the only way. There's many ways to skin a cat. You know, metaphor there. So yeah, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all of this industry. I'm showing you what I do on a day-to-day. Take notes if you like it. If not, then hey, maybe you can teach me something. Comment below.